we've got a 2008 BMW 3 Series. We're gonna do a spare. We may have, just make sure everything works. We might have done it before, so I'm gonna check.
New keys, okay?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Let's do it again. Does not run very good, but the key works. We'll just cut the blade and be good to go. Yeah. It's this one?
Yes. Yes.
Make sure.
This one, okay? Good. Good? Yes. Otra llave. $5, yes?
Mm-hmm.
One moment.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Yeah. Yes. These are that one and that one.
And how to pay you?
Frank.
Already paid?
Yeah. So we're good. Yep.
Okay, thank you
Thank
so much.
you. Have a good day.
Yeah,